Hi, I'm Bill from Eckler's. Today we're going to take a closer look at this heavy-duty axle shaft fitting your 1963 through 1979 Corvette. These heavy-duty axle shafts are sold individually and are a great upgrade for any 63 through 79 Corvette. If you're making more power than factory, definitely a good idea to upgrade the half shaft to something stronger. Not only is this a half-inch heavier diameter, it's a thicker overall construction, and again a direct replacement for the factory piece. While your factory half shaft will have a 2.5-inch diameter, this upgrades to a 3-inch diameter, and it's a heavy-duty steel tube made right here in the USA. These half shafts come pre-assembled with the yoke and U-joints already installed. Now here you can see the heavy-duty next to a standard replacement. Now if you're making stock horsepower or a little bit over, this is actually more than fine. But again, if you're making more power, considerably more power, or you're using the car at the track, you can see the upgrades here, how much beefier the overall construction is. This heavy-duty axle shaft and other driveline components for your classic Corvette are available at Ecklers.com.